While watching a scary movie, Dan and Marisa are enjoying each other's company. They were having a great time until, all of a sudden, the infamous killer known as the Screwdriver enters the scene. He is known as the Screwdriver because he literally kills people with a screwdriver. The Screwdriver then decides to make Dan and Marisa his next victims.
Got away.
Oh my god, Dan, that was the Screwdriver killer. He's killed 5 people in the last 2 weeks and he doesn't stop until they're dead.
I heard about that guy in the news.
I'm sorry, I had such a great time.
I'm sorry, I had a good time too. Did you see him leave at all?
I don't know. He could be following us.
Is that him in the mirror?
Everybody got a deal. I did what I want.
Dan, no!
I'm going.
Everyone who got it needs that. You humble your business. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to win it.
Dan, I think we lost him. There's no one behind us. Dan, I think we lost him. Do you think we're safe? Do you think
Yeah, I
he's
think
gonna
we
come
are.
back?
Hope so.
Dan, just let's go to my house.
Okay.
We just need to, I think we should call the police.
This should work.
Hello, I'm looking for Marisa Maserati.
Marisa Maserati, that'd be me.
Oh, yes, hello. I am undercover police officer Colin Pashney. I was wondering if you would please rediscuss the details of the other night when you came in contact with the Screwdriver.
Oh my gosh, that was really horrifying. Me and my boyfriend Dan, we were at the movies and he came and he just showed up behind me. I don't really know where he came from, but he had a screwdriver. It was like right by my face and I really thought I was gonna die. Like I was so close to death, it wasn't even funny. And so me and Dan just ducked and ran and we made it to our car and we thought we were safe, but then I saw him in the mirror behind me and he followed us all the way home. So I think he knows where I live and everything.
That's what I feared. So we would like to either take you into protective custody at this point, or we would like to perform a stakeout. We would like to do this because we have reason to believe that the Screwdriver will be coming back to, in unkindly terms, finish you off. So I ask you the question: would you rather us stay, or would you rather us take you in?
Stay, please stay.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate your cooperation. We'll be back tonight, and you won't even know we're here.
Thank you.
So what's the verdict?
They're staking outside our house tonight.
What are we gonna do?
That's up for you. That's for you to decide.
You want me to take them out?
Please.
I could do that. I want my payment.
All right, fine. Here you go.
All right.
See you.
It's gonna get done.
Hey, Sergeant Ramirez, it's Deputy Kashni. I'm staked up outside of the Maserati household, and the girl that escaped from the Screwdriver. Yeah. So everything looks clear at the moment. It's about to get dark. I'll keep you posted. Wait, I think I see something. Never mind. Oh!
work today. There was so many people, and they just don't even pay me enough for everything I do for them. I work so hard, and I get $7.50 an hour. Oh my God, Dan, what was that?
I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out.
Out.
So,
Hey, what's up?
hey, go hide over there, okay? Hide over there. Wait till I'm out of the room.
Dan, what was that?
That was nothing. I didn't see anything, but I'm gonna go check over here. Yes, you finally killed her. Here's the other half of the money I owe you.